Hey everybody, in this video today my garage door fell. And it was quite an alarming experience, but it's something to learn from. So I had this happen twice. It is this carriage trolley here that is at the top of this garage bar. This thing that I'm pointing at, which is supposed to hook onto the rail and drag it across, that thing just fell apart because of its plastic parts. The first time it was grinding, that was back in 2019, and here I am in 2021 in June having to replace this darn thing once again because the plastic piece fell apart. So first, using a needle nose pliers, just pull as I did here. Remove this bolt that secures the carriage trolley to this large black bar, and then remove the carriage trolley. Now taking a look at it, I have this part right here. The left part is the old one and the right part is the new one. So on the right side, there are two hooks on either side of the metallic bar. On the left side, we have that piece missing on this side, and that's the reason why this one failed. Now looking at this bar, given that it failed, there's a plastic piece somewhere along here. Just check it out. Mine is right here. See if you have one just laying around on the rail. Next, take a towel and then wipe down the visible grease on the rail. Get some white lithium grease or some lubricant and then place it on the metallic surface. Now we'll have to disassemble the rail. And to do that, I have this 10mm and I have to hit these bolts here because unfortunately just loosening the two bolts linking the black rail to the metallic rail will not clear the carriage trolley for me. Now removing these three bolts, and following that I'm just going to let the rail sit while I remove the rest of the screws on this wood, which will finally allow me to slide this carriage trolley onto the rail. And finally, I'm able to put the carriage trolley onto the rail, and then just try sliding that carriage trolley back and forth to make sure it'll go all the way across the rail. And after that, I'm putting the screws back in their place and just tightening them as they were, as well as these bolts, tightening those up as well with the ratchets. And now it's time to hook up the carriage trolley to this black bar, which is connected to the garage door. So I slide that bolt through, and then using this pin, push it into this hole, and that will lock that into place. And pushing the silver bar upward will lock the carriage trolley to the rail. Since I have this lock on the garage door, I have to unlock it to make sure that this garage door will properly operate. And now finally, test to make sure that everything is working. And that's how you replace a carriage trolley. Please drop a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you very much.